Hi guys, in this video we are going to be unboxing the Nomakenolife beauty box of May, and it is this one here. Each box contains 8 to 9 products and the price of it is $35. Usually the shipping for this subscription box is free, but this time I have paid $5 additionally because they had some issues to send me the box because of the corona situation, and also this box came a little bit later for this month. It came in the third week of May. I'm a little bit late with the unboxing, but you can still find all of the products on their website. At the end of this video, we're going to calculate the total value of all the products and we're going to see if this is worth the money. If you want to see more unboxing videos, don't forget to subscribe and let me know in the comments if you want me to unbox another subscription box. I'm also doing videos for the Look Fantastic beauty boxes of each month. I'm ready with my scissors and let's open this box. Oh no, we have some leakage. Something happened here. Okay, we're going to figure out which product broke. That's a little bit disgusting. Oh no, I almost lost all of the product. It smells very nice. I have cream on my face. Let's see a little bit the leaflet. It says Geeky Gorgeous this time. It is super cute. It has face cream all over it. Okay, what to do? We also have some recommendations for nail designs. I am Aries, so I can do something with Pikachu. Okay, I'm going to have a close-up. Let me know which one is your design in the comments below. So it says Kirby Smooth Cream. It is super cute. It is one of my favorite games on Nintendo Switch. It smells very nice. I think the scent is peach. Yeah, and this is how much product is left in here. That's so disappointing. Why? Nintendo superstar Kirby is making an appearance in May's box with these adorable moisturizing creams. So we have a peach scented cream to moisturize dry skin. Oh, this is exactly for me. And you can use it on your face and body. That's nice. And it comes in 9 different versions inspired by famous places in Japan. What did I get? I don't know. Yeah, I'm not sure which one I got because it is covered with the face cream. After that, we have a towel. What is this? Oh my god. It is super adorable. I think we have some sea whales. Maybe this is for the face to remove any makeup. It says it is for sale in Japan only. Oh, why? We want it everywhere. This is the Sumiko Gurashi towel. You can carry this in your bag or use it at home. That's a very nice idea to have your own towel in your bag in case that you are in a public restroom. And you can get this in pink or blue. I never thought that I would get a towel in a beauty box. Following that, we have this one here that looks like a juice box. Am I right? And it says Petite Pocket Milk Tone Up Cream by the brand Berisome, and this is to brighten and care. And here it says milk and also milk tone cream. Evenly apply an appropriate amount of cream on skin and gently dab until absorbed. This is made in Korea, and this one contains milk protein extract to offer instant natural tone-up effect. I really like the packaging because you can take out the product that you want and then you can close it again. And let's see what is this exactly? Berisome is a Korean brand specialized in skincare, always carefully picking the best ingredients. In May's box comes one of the 6 30-gram skincare pouches from the Petite Pocket series. So let's continue with another product cover in the face cream. Oh, it looks like an eyeshadow. No! All of the eyeshadow is covered in a plastic layer, so it is fine. It's not contaminated by the face cream. Let's open and see what we have. So this is by the brand Etude House and it is so pretty. We have Tom and Jerry. Let's see the color. Ooh, it looks like a rose gold or coppery eyeshadow. It smells like peaches. Let's see the color. It is so pretty. It is like a coppery rose gold eyeshadow. It also has some fine micro glitter in gold and light green, I think. It has a lot of colors. I'm hoping that it is going to look nice on the eyes. It doesn't really matter on the swatches. So I'm going to use it in the next testing Korean makeup products video. I posted another one a few weeks ago if you want to see some other Korean products that I have tried. Let's see if we have any information about this. Hooray! We were able to curate these popular eyeshadows for you from the new Today House 2020 New Year's collection featuring Tom and Jerry. The jewel eyeshadows have a pearly shimmer and a creamy texture. So this one here is in the shade PK022 Troublemaker, and this is in the jewel collection and it is made in Korea. The packaging is very pretty, also very sturdy for this product. Okay, super pretty. After that we have another product by Today House, and it is the black charcoal chin pack. And it is very thin, so maybe it is this layer that we see on the packaging. And it says, use immediately after opening. I'm so curious about this one. This is the best-selling Today House chin patch. It can remove dirt and excess sebum and makes your skin soft and smooth. Oh, that's nice. So this one can remove blackheads on the chin. I have never heard of this product before. I have some other patches for the nose. I think I have seen also for the forehead, but never on the chin. Moving on to this one here, and it says it is a face sheet mask by the brand. I think it is the brand Sanrio. We got again some products by this brand in this beauty box, and this one is made in Japan. So what is this? It is squishy. Okay, I feel it. This area here has the sheet mask. Okay, we can see Jin and Gudetama here. 5 more minutes, this is me in the morning. And you can leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. It doesn't say if it is moisturizing or anti-aging. The brand is not Sanrio. The brand is Jin and Gudetama. First mistake. And the famous Sanrio egg Gudetama collaborated with equally famous Japanese celebrity Akanishi Jin, known as singer in J-pop group Cat Toon and actor in several J-dramas, to create this cute sheet mask. I'm very curious about how the sheet mask looks. Most probably I'm going to wear it on an Instagram story, so go follow me on Instagram. It contains rice extract to moisturize your skin and improve elasticity. The best thing, it smells like pancakes. Oh my god, they know me. So we have started making pancakes with my husband. We also bought a small frying pan so we can make them exactly the same every time. So next we have a pouch. Oh my god, it is Kirby again. It is super pretty. Hello. I need to clean it a little bit. This one is also covered in face cream. So basically my face cream is all over the box today. It closes like this. Oh, it's so easy to open. And let's see this one too. Oh, I didn't notice that. Okay, oops. Ooh, it smells plasticky. So I don't know if it is very practical because it opens on both ways and it doesn't open like every regular pouch. You can have one side closed, if I ever find it. Okay, closed. And you can have your products in here, but again, I don't think this is convenient to have your products in. This cute iridescent pouch featuring Kirby is the dream of every gorgeous and geeky girl out there. I'm gorgeous and geeky? Yes! easily open and close it with the snap button and show off your cutest cosmetics with this clear pouch. By the way, it is very small for makeup. I mean, you can have some lip glosses. So we have this eyeshadow. Okay, for a few makeup products it is okay. And this is how it looks completely open. The material feels very durable and the plastic is thicker. I'm guessing I'm not gonna have any problems with the buttons. We have one more product here. This reminds me an eye pencil that we got 2 boxes before. Oh, it says again, Sanrio license. For sale in Japan only, it is made in China, designed in Japan. And this is the 5th grand order and Sanrio colored eyeliner. Ooh, we have something purple. Nice! It looks disgusting because of the face cream. The eyeliners are inspired by the characters of the Japanese game. And we have Artoria Pendragon, Mash Kirilite, Karna Ozymandias, Enkidu and Arjuna. I have Arjuna here. This one have a shimmery finish that will make your eyes pop. No need to sharpen it, simply twist the eyeliner to use it again. Sharpen an eyeliner? We never do that. The packaging for the product is super adorable. Oh, this is not an eyeliner. So we have a twistable eye pencil. Of course, we're not gonna sharpen it. And it looks like this. So let's see how the color looks. It's very pretty. So it has like a neony finish. Let's see if it is creamy. You can also blend it and use it as a base for your eyeshadows. It is very pretty. I can see some very fine light blue micro glitter that I don't really get. Why should we have micro glitter in an eye pencil? I mean, how can you see them in the waterline? Usually they're not visible, so what's the point? And this is how it looks, blended and blended more. I think I'm gonna use it in my next purple eye look. Some of you want to see something with dark eyeshadows. And the total value of this box is $50.88, which is not that bad. Now I want to say that I have already unsubscribed from this box before I received this one, because I felt like I was not getting my money back with this service. I really enjoy unboxing this box, but it is not just to have cute products. I also want to use them and feel like I got my money back. And also $35 for a subscription box is a little bit expensive. Usually we have $20, $15. That doesn't mean that I'm not going to unbox it again. Most probably I will unbox also the Halloween beauty box, because some of you told me that last year's was very pretty. So I really want to see what they have for this year. And let me know in the comments what product of this box did you like the most. I think for me it is the towel, because now that I'm thinking about it, it is very practical to have it in your bag. You can find here more videos. If you like this one, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!